Hello guys, review Poco F8 Pro. This version 12GB memory and 256GB storage. Open box and look complementation. In complementation we have protected back cover, Type-C cable and key for SIM slot. Device: Snapdragon 8 Elite processor and chipset, massive 6210 mAh battery, 100 watt hypercharge, 6.6-inch display, Full HD Plus AMOLED, 50 megapixel triple camera and sound by Bose. Okay, that's all. Silver color, triple camera on the back side, LED on this side, power button, wall buttons, downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and slot for SIM cards. Second speaker on the upside, without controls this side. Okay, turn on device. We have very good display. Open about phone. We have Xiaomi HyperOS 3.0.5 and Android version 16. Open tests. Open Geekbench 6. We have Adreno 830 resolution display PPA, okay, perfect, and very powerful results, super results in Geekbench 6 and super powerful results in Antutu benchmark. Okay, 3 million, over 3 million. PUBG Mobile works on the max graphic level, high high frame rate. Okay, now I'll show you photos on the main camera. We have 0.6 camera, optical zoom 2.5x, and video we can record 8K or 4K 16 frame rate. Okay, let's show the photos. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.